Hello, and thank you for visiting prometalbuildings.com. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to use our 3D design tool to build a building, basically a garage with the tool. So once you go to prometalbuildings.com, you can click the design a 3D metal building, and then that's going to take you to the design tool in 3D form. Once you're here, go ahead and plug in your state. Today we'll just go with the state of Arkansas. Start your building, hit continue. And then once you default and make sure you're in the right state, it will default a specific building, and the size is down here, state is up here, and here is the price. So just to show you a few things on here, you can certainly move your mouse and move the building all around, but I want to show you some nice things here. So you can click on View in Space and hit the QR code. It will take this building outside to your site, so you can put it right on your property and see what it looks like. So that's one option. The other one is to share, and we have all of the social platforms. You can email or text a friend to show them what you're thinking. So feel free to use that. If you want to make it pretty while you're building it, you can put it in a backyard setting and do it that way. If you're in one of these settings, it won't let you flip the building upside down, so I'm going to get out of this mode because I want to make sure that you see everything on it. So we'll go back to the basic gray. Once that's done, I am on a desktop, so this is a lot easier to do on a desktop than it is on your cell phone. But on the right-hand side, you have your style and lots of little icons. So today we're just going to hit the garage, but we've got like barns, different kind of barns and lean-tos and huge garages. Let's just go with kind of the standard garage. Still in Arkansas, of course, and now it'll default to a 24 by 30 by 9. So that's fine, but let's just say we're going to put this on dirt, and let's just say we want a back storage, and it'll prompt us later to find out how big we want that back storage to be. So when we go to size, of course, here's the information about this building, and it tells us we have a center storage of 5 foot. And if you flip this upside down, you can see this is where the storage is at. So we want to expand that. Let's say we want a 15-foot storage. Now it's going to come off the back 15 feet, and that's going to be our storage area. So it's basically an internal wall. If you want to put a door on that internal wall, you have to go to doors and frame outs, go to this inner wall, and then make sure you see this white banner here. It's like highlighted in white. That's where you're going to want to put a door. So then you click the roll up door, and it will then put it on that wall. If you want a different size door, you can hit the little pencil and it will let you do that. You can also do a 45-degree angle, which looks really nice as well. So that's that. So now to get out of that editing, I'm going to go down to the colors so that you can really see. This might not make a lot of sense. I'm just showing what you can do with the tool. So now that we have our garage, let's say we like the windows. We really only want one window. You can go to the pencil, remove it. This one, maybe we want to scooch it over. We want that one there. We want to keep the door, but we want to move it back too. When it's in red, that means it's on an upright. So it'll cost you more there, so just scooch it a little bit until you don't see that red. Here's our doors, and they're 10 by 8s. We're going to leave it at that. We can then also change the color. So let's do that. We'll do a red roof, a gray trim, and we'll do a red body. And then on the wainscot, we can do 0 wainscot, or we can maybe do a white wainscot to give it a little dimension. So once you've done all of these different things, and of course you can go back up to style and change all of that if you want to, but you can expand this banner here, and it will give you the price for this building, the discount, which is as of May 11th, 2023, we're running a discount through May, I believe. So here's our price. This is delivered and installed plus tax. Your down payment would be right here. And then if you want to save this because you don't want to lose it, just hit save. Go through the corresponding questions. Down here, there's a few areas like you have some questions, you're ready to buy, you don't really want to be bothered, and you hit email link, you will get a copy, so will we. But if you do like it, it's perfect. It's everything you want. Go ahead and place your deposit by answering these questions. It'll take you to the next um, site to go ahead and make that payment. So that's pretty much it. So now you've got your building, and of course, this is just a really quick tutorial just to show you the different things. If you prefer us to do that for you, we're happy to do that. You can just give us a call, 888-536-1585, or you can email us at support@prometalbuildings.com. Thank you.